In this video, I will be unboxing the Zotac RTX 4070 Ti, which is the AMP Extreme version. This is probably the biggest graphic card that I have bought in my life so far. In this video, I will be unboxing it and will be showing you what exactly comes inside the box and how does the GPU looks like. So this is a pretty massive box. It is difficult for me to fit in my frame, but I'm going to try my very best to do things. And I guess we have it says love gaming, power the win. Okay, so I guess these must be some documentation, some stickers and stuff that no one generally used to read. And it seems like we have an anti-sag bracket too that comes with the GPU. So we are going to have a look at this later. Now I'm going to keep all this aside and we are going to have a look at what else comes inside the box. So it seems like pretty good packing, and the very infamous 12-pin to triple 8-pin power adapter that will be required to power this card in case you don't have the latest power supplies. So it looks just about fine. The quality seems pretty decent, actually pretty good. So I'm going to keep it aside, and we have, I guess, this ARGB cable, which for sure I'm not going to be using. Then I guess this is the anti-sag bracket that they were talking about. And it seems like a pretty good one. Yeah, it seems like a pretty good one. It is a pretty basic one, but I guess it is going to do the job just about perfectly. This is some really decent stuff. I like it. I really like it. It is made entirely out of metal, and I think it is very easy to, adjust and all. So I'm going to keep it aside too. And now I'm going to take out the GPU itself. So we are going to use this foam that came with the packing, and I'm going to make sure to take the GPU on it. Oh my god, this is such a big GPU, man. I haven't used a graphic card this big previously. I've seen a lot of big GPUs online, but I haven't had a look at one of them before today. So this is a really big card. We have a total of 3 slots, 3 PCI Express slots, and on top we have the power connector here, and it looks pretty neat. This is a pretty good looking card. It is actually very big. It is even bigger than what I expected. I was well aware that it is a big GPU, but looking at it in person makes me feel that it is really very big, bigger than what I expected. So there is not a lot that I want to talk about. You guys must have already seen all these videos. These GPUs are not new at the moment. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to plug it in my PC.